I want to be a master. I want to show you guys how to draw the best of the best anime the world has ever seen. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you guys that we could be the best artists the world has ever. We're gonna show the world how best art can be. We're gonna show you guys how. We're gonna show you guys how to draw Shoutmon ×4. That's right, folks. You've waited a long time for this moment. I'm gonna show you guys how to draw one of the classic Digifuses of all time. Sure, it's been a while since I've done my last video. You remember when I drew Metal Greymon? Well, this time, I'm gonna show you guys how to draw Shoutmon ×4. You guys waited a long time. I got your comments. And now it's time to show you guys how to draw like a real hero.
So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold.
Alright guys, let's get started.
The lessons that I hold, I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. Hey, we all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be
okay.
the greatest master of them all. We all live in a Pokemon world.
There we go.
I'll put myself to the test, I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? We all live in a Pokemon world. Pokemon, I wanna be the greatest master of them all. Pokemon. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. Hey, we all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all.
Oh yeah, one more thing. Shoutmon ×4 in season 1 was possibly one of the most powerful most powerful fusions Mikey and the others have first obtained in their arsenal. At first, Shoutmon ×4 became handy, and it became handy at first, but then it changed. Then there was Shoutmon ×4K, and then there was ×4B, and then when Sparamon fused with Shoutmon ×4, there was Shoutmon ×5, and then all of a sudden, out of the blue, Beelzebub steps in and fuses with them as well, and then becomes Shoutmon ×5B, which is kind of something that we weren't expecting. But I always knew there would be a Shoutmon ×5B, but I thought it would be Shoutmon ×5KBS, cause well, basically Shoutmon ×5B wouldn't be enough, but why do that when you can fuse the 3 other Digimon to this show? Why not just add 3 more Digimon? Because that'd be something to look at, right? Oh. Okay. Now we just draw Ballistamon's face right here. As we all know, both Ballistamon and Gerulamon are part of Shoutmon ×4's body.
So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. We all live in a Pokemon world. I'll put myself to the test. I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. Pokemon. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command.
Now we just draw his arm here.
We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. We all live in a Pokemon world. I'll put myself to the test. I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of
There we go.
Pokemon. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the
Okay, yep.
learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. We all live in a Pokemon world. I'll put myself to the test. I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. Pokemon.
There we go.
So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. We all live
There we go. There's his arm here.
the greatest master of them all. We all live in a Pokemon world. I'll put myself to the test. I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? We all live in a Pokemon world. I wanna be the greatest master of them all. Pokemon. So you wanna be a master of Pokemon? Do you have the skills to be number one? I wanna take the ultimate step, find the courage to be bold, to risk it all and not forget the lessons that I hold. I wanna go where no one's been, far beyond the crowd. Yeah, learn the way to take command. Use the power that's in my hand. We all live in a Pokemon world.
There we go.
I wanna be the greatest master.
Now we just draw his body here. We just draw his legs.
Pokemon world. I'll put myself to the test. I'll be better than all the rest. So you wanna be a
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 7:53 p.m.
Alexa, what is shoutmon times 4?
1 multiplied by 4 equals 4.
Alexa, stop. Now we just draw his tail. Now we just draw the tip. That's, I mean, the tip of his drill tornado tail. Sorry about that, folks. And by tip, I mean the pointy bit of his back, as in his tail. I don't know why shoutmon times 4 has a tail. Maybe it has something to do with Darullamon being part of it. But that's awesome. But that's kind of awesome, if you ask me. Anyways, this swordsman has quite some skill over here. Fine.
Okay, love you.
Alright.
Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
So you wanna be a master?
Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song. Alexa, next song.
Okay. This ought to be more exciting for you guys. There we go. Sorry for that. Alright guys, we're almost done. Be sure to draw this line here. If you saw that I wasn't talking for the entire video, I was thinking about what I should draw next. Why don't you leave a comment below on what I should draw next.
銀河飛び越えガンガンガンバトル開始だダンダンダン決める一発バンバンバン心震えるレジェンダーで楽しんでバトルで勝ち抜いて笑って心が弾むたまるエナジーこんなにも夢中でどこまでも夢中で心が踊る
Now we just draw the star sword. There we go. I'm sure this ought to satisfy you guys. Now we just draw the star sword here.
Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Okay. There we go.
There we go. Sure, it's a little bit short, but at least I finally got the chance to draw this handsome and plus awesome looking robot. And there we go. That's how you draw shoutmon times 4. Pretty impressive, huh? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. And Alexa, stop. I dedicate this video to all you animators out there and how much you've been working hard for your goals to come to life. And, well, I hope you guys have a wonderful time in achieving that goal. Together we will draw every character in known existence, and nothing's gonna stop us from drawing them all. So, in the meantime, sit back, relax, and be sure to get ready for the next video. Even if it takes me 1,000,000 years. But there's no way humans live that long, but at least we get a second chance. Anyways, I'll see you guys again soon. See you in space!